Hey, what's up? I'm Enrique, and in this drawing video, I'm gonna go over detailing. I'm gonna take a drawing that I did before that was kind of simpler and more cartoony, and I'm gonna try to detail it out and make it more in my style. I'm gonna talk my way through it. That is pretty much it. If you're interested, stick around. Let's jump in. All right, what up? So I'm gonna go through doing detail, right? So I'm gonna take this drawing I previously did for a different channel and I'm gonna detail it. So it kind of looks a little cartoony right now, and I'm gonna try to make it more real, more comic-esque, and you're gonna watch me do it. So if you're interested in that, stick around. If not, I appreciate it. I will talk to you another time. So I'm gonna go in here with, so this one I actually did it with this right here. I did it with this Crayola marker. And I'm gonna go in with smaller stuff right here with a Faber-Castell, and I'm gonna go in with this Pigma. You know, I used to call these things microns, but the micron is the secondary name, I think, right? Pigma's the first. So I'm looking at it, it's a dragon. It's gonna be the Mr. Beast. It is the Mr. Beast dragon, but I'm gonna say, how do I make this more real? I'm probably gonna go in, obviously, to the small detail, because the biggest thing about this thing is that it is, you know, you have like kind of how do I say this, like a template right here, like a simple cartoon, and now I want to go in and start, maybe put like some value right here at the bottom, right, because there will be some darkness right here because of the sun. It's usually going, the light source is usually coming downward. Oh man, the ink is a little bit, it's interesting, the ink is a little bit of a different value, but I'm gonna have to details, which that's cool too. And I might throw those on here in a in the scale patterns, right? I'm putting in texture, and I think texture is what really brings out, you know, a cool look to it. So I'm gonna work on it a little bit more. That's really all I'm doing though. All I'm doing is literally like just texturing everything. I'm just gonna talk a little bit more. I forgot to actually plug in my mic, so the audio is gonna be not as good as it could be, so forgive me.